Introducing the right cut, the speed tape measure and saw guide. Key features include a magnetic saw guide, the location pegs to hold the right cut square to the workpiece, the top reading tape measure, lock and retractable tape end, slip fast glides, no more laborious measuring, marking, squaring, and accidental cutting. With the right cut, it's quick and accurate every time, no matter what your skill level. From large to small. The top reading tape measure and square is ideal for incremental marking. It is ideal for finding internal measurements. Make the right choice and take the right cut.